Hey guys, it's Key here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be sharing with you all my skincare routine and what I have been doing to take care of my skin. So the first thing I like to do is I like to pull my hair back and make sure that I get any hair out of my face before I begin washing my face. And then I like to wash my hands just to make sure that I get any bacteria and germs off of my hands before I touch my face. I then like to go in with some makeup wipes if I have any makeup on my skin, and just like to make sure that I remove any makeup as much as I can. You will see that I will go in with 2 makeup wipes just to make sure that I get all of the makeup off and try to get off as much makeup as I can. Next, I'm going in with the soap that I use to cleanse my face, and I do like to use bar soaps, and right now I'm using an Aloe beauty bar, and bar soaps works fine for my face. They don't irritate it or anything, and I just like to lather it up in my hands and then apply it to my face and work it into my skin. Then I like to go in with a spin brush and just exfoliate my skin, and I do this once a week only because exfoliating helps with dead skin cells and getting rid of dead skin, and the more you do it, the more your face will become irritated and begin to burn and break out. And I have experienced that, so now I use it only once a week and I exfoliate on Sundays. So I like to do that just to avoid any irritation to my skin. And then I like to dry my face with a washcloth or a face towel. I then like to go in with a face mask, and right now I'm using the Queen Helene Mint face mask. I like to use a face mask once a week also, and I am applying the mask to my face with an old foundation brush because I no longer use it, so I decided that I will use that to apply my mask. It's much easier, quicker, and it is less messy. So that is how I've been using my foundation brush, which is to apply my face mask. And I will leave this on for 15 minutes until it is completely dry. So these are the 2 face masks that I currently use, and I alternate between the 2. And after 15 minutes, the face mask is hard and it is time to wash it off. And so after that, I just take that same towel and pat my face dry. I then like to go in with witch hazel, and I like to put it in this container. And I take a cotton ball and I just use that to apply it to my face, which I absolutely love witch hazel. It has helped with my dark spots. I used to have a lot of dark spots on my forehead and everything, and now I don't have as many black spots or anything because I'm really consistent. I use it every single day, morning and night, and it has helped a whole lot for my face, and I absolutely love it. By the way, all items that I'm using will be down in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Then I like to go in with some cocoa butter, and I also like to go in with coconut oil moisturizing cream, but the coconut oil lotion I use in the morning and the cocoa butter I use at night, and in this case it is nighttime. So after that, I'm going in with some aloe vera soothing gel, and I absolutely love this stuff because it locks in all of the moisture for my skin, and I use a dime size amount because a little goes a long way. So I just apply that to my face, and it makes my skin really smooth and hydrated and supple. And yeah, that is my skincare routine. That is what I do every single day. And the skincare routine that I showed you all today is what I do specifically on Sunday. So yes, I do wash my face every day, morning and night, but this is what I do on my Sunday nights. And so yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.